The most powerful thing a teacher can do is give students a lens, a big idea that makes the world more legible. Conceptual thinking is that lens. It transforms a collection of lessons into a coherent, transferable understanding of how things work. Without concepts, knowledge stays isolated. When facts lack a connecting concept, each lesson becomes an island, leading to fragmented recall and low transfer of learning. Students disengage when they can't see the bigger picture. With concepts, knowledge transfers because concepts act as a bridge, making learning portable. Concepts anchor new information, connect it to prior knowledge, and allow students to transfer their understanding to unfamiliar contexts. This is the hallmark of deep, lasting learning. In language and literature, the concept perspective shapes narrative moves students beyond literary devices. It unlocks learning such as comparing unreliable narrators and connecting narrative to real-world media. For language acquisition, the key concept is context shapes meaning. This pushes students beyond rote memorization to explore how cultural, situational, and linguistic context profoundly shapes communication. Teachers can focus on greetings, register, idioms, and authentic texts. In individuals and societies, the concept power shapes systems allows students to explore who benefits and who is marginalized. This unlocks analysis of colonialism, economic inequality, and historical power structures through examples like the transatlantic slave trade and the UN Security Council veto. For sciences, the conceptual lens is systems maintain balance through feedback. This encourages students to analyze how systems, whether biological or ecological, detect imbalance and self-regulate. It connects concepts like homeostasis and the carbon cycle. In mathematics, the fundamental concept is patterns reveal underlying structure. This challenges students to uncover the hidden rules and logic governing mathematical systems. It unlocks connecting algebraic and geometric patterns and exploring the Fibonacci sequence and Pascal's triangle. In the arts, the concept visuals communicate meaning shifts the focus from technique to interpretation. Students learn how deliberate choices in color, composition, and form convey messages. This can be taught through analyzing propaganda, self-portraiture, and advertising tricks. For design, the foundational concept is form follows function. Students analyze how every design choice must serve its intended purpose and the needs of its users. This unlocks evaluation of iconic products, the design cycle, and accessible design principles. In physical and health education, the powerful concept is the body adapts to challenge. It encourages students to explore how physical and mental stress, when applied appropriately, builds resilience. Teaching focuses on training principles, aerobic adaptation, recovery habits, and stress management. When a concept drives instruction, students shift from passive receivers to active meaning makers. They begin to interpret, not just create. This leads to critical analysis of choices, collaborative dialogue, and evidence-based reasoning, skills transferable across disciplines. That is deeper learning. It happens when students can explain, connect, and apply what they know to new situations. This results in conceptual understanding, cross-disciplinary thinking, and lifelong transfer of big ideas. Start by identifying the big, transferable concept driving your unit. Remember, a concept is an enduring idea like power or systems, not a topic or a skill. Then, frame an essential question and align your lessons to build conceptual understanding.